Hey everyone, Henry Vine Fishing here. I'm going out today on one of my favorite rivers, going to be looking for musky, and I got a special guest who's going to be joining me.
Yo!
Here's Henry from 514 Fishing.
And Henry Vine Fishing. Today we're going to try it. Let's do it, man. See you on the water.
Alright, see you out there. Yeah. It's my first time ever in my own zodiac. It's not this year, since I got it.
No way.
Yeah.
There's no reason to not like accept, you know? Like I was abusing them, you know?
Yeah.
Way use the same bait as me. Like his own bait. I know I'm gonna catch. But like that now is nothing.
Oh, I got a bite! I got a bite! I got a bite! On my spoon.
Oh yeah?
Yeah. It was a real hit. I'll turn it around. It was in those weeds over there.
Oh shit. You didn't want my bait.
Frig. And I was only doing jerking it. My spoon. It was a real hit.
Dang.
You know what we're gonna do? Because we're always moving? Let's bring the boat like right in there. Then it'll be like we're shore fishing. You were waders, you could even go in the creek if you want.
Keep going.
I'm sorry.
Sandy.
Oh, you okay?
Yeah, it's pretty shallow.
Yeah, there, I think we're good. Yeah, we don't need to cast in the creek. There's just sometimes they're right there.
And then the next week, the next month I went back. Man, there was
Fish on! Fish on! Yeah, yeah, it's a musky. It's a musky. Yes, it's coming.
Yeah, sure, man.
So you're gonna need the net. This one feels heavy, Henry.
Oh yeah?
Oh yeah, you could stretch it up if you want. Look at that. It's a big one.
Oh yeah? Let's go, man. Let's go.
I knew there was one here. And he feels extremely heavy.
Good job, man. I saw him once.
He's heavy. There he is.
Oh yeah.
Let's go. In the net.
Nope, no, not yet. Not yet. Not ready yet.
It's when I turn them like that I'm worried. All right, now. Oh, he's nice. Get him in the net. No. Yes.
Oh,
yeah.
Good job, man.
Yes. Woo. All right.
All right.
Yes, sir. He looks nice, man.
On the net rig, bro.
Let's get a little zoom on him.
Yo.
Yes.
Right on the net rig. Good job, man.
Woo. I'm pumping. Go get my pliers. Oh yeah, it's a big one. He feels heavy.
Good job. Yes, sir. Oh yeah, nice photo.
Let's get you out of here.
Good job.
Take your time, man. There we go. You ready?
Yep. Ready. Good job. Let's go.
Hey man, we finally got a muskie together.
I know. Curse broken.
Didn't measure him, but he looks like a 35 easy, yeah?
Yeah, 35 easy.
Hold it on, okay.
Small musky.
That's okay.
Yes, sir.
Good
Two
job,
musky.
man.
Yes. Yeah, this is even smaller, and
Oh,
I'm
that's
happy.
okay,
and
man.
I'm happy.
Oh yeah.
I'm super
Looks like a
happy.
tiger, man.
Looks like a tiger.
Yeah, I
You're
think
right.
that's a tiger.
That's a tiger, eh?
Yeah.
It choked the thing.
Good job, man. Oh, but we'll let cussed in there, then that's good.
Yo, what is going on, man?
Hey, good job, Henry.
Yes. Thank you, man. Thank you, thank you.
He just caught a muskie and my battery was dead, but at least we got his footage on his side.
Oh my god, yo. The smallest muskie of my life, PB.
But it's okay, you know what type of waters we're in, you know?
Yeah. But is it tiger, you sure?
I think so, man. It looks like it. Look at the lines.
Yeah, it looks like it.
Maybe not, but it looks like it.
It really looks
Oh, yeah.
gonna release it.
You good. Don't go yet. Oh yeah, now it's ready.
Oh, fish on, fish on.
Yes.
Fish on. You're right, you're right.
And I got a bite, eh? After you said that? Yeah.
Fish on, man.
Oh yeah.
Yeah. You were right. You were right, man.
Yes,
Oh, yeah.
sir.
Yeah.
Good job. Another bullet.
Another bullet, man.
All
Yeah,
right.
man. This one, this different color.
Yeah, he looks like a normal muskie. That's what I said. The other's a tiger, I think.
Yeah, I think so. Now we could compare.
Yeah.
Man, right there.
You want to deal with it?
Yeah.
I could do it, but I mean, it's your fish, even though you didn't mine earlier.
Oh man, dude. Still on?
Good.
2 PB.
He has more energy. He's gonna take off good.
Oh yeah, bye.
Good job, man.
Yeah, let's
eh?
go. Wow. Oh, this rod. Oh no, yo, it's right there, dude.
Oh yeah.
You see him? You see him?
Yeah. That's his tail there, no? He threw it towards his tail.
Oh no, didn't see it properly. Did he go? I don't know if he got scared or not. Yeah.
All right, guys. So we're calling it an evening. Henry caught 2 little muskies, and I caught a not bad muskie.
Got a good muskie.
Oh yeah. And we had a few bites also.
Yeah, true.
And now what's going on is the battery died for the motor. So that's how good I am of a guide. I make my clients work. No, I'm kidding. He's not a client. I'm just bugging around.
But he put me on fish, so that's enough. That's enough. But not the best.
Fish on.
Yeah?
Fish on. Yep. I was reeling in fast. It feels a good one too. It feels good. Oh, he's good. He's a good one. We don't have time. He's a good one though.
Oh my god.
Oh yeah.
On the side, eh?
Yeah. All right, get that net ready.
Yeah. Oh, yo.
Yes.
Oh,
Incredible, man.
Good job, bro.
Good job, man.
That's a good one.
Yes. Oh yeah, he's beef. He's beef. Yes. I had a feeling that lure was gonna work.
Yo. Oh my god, yes, sir. I'm gonna try to get the back. Are you ready?
All right, let's release this back girl.
Wow.
Oh yeah, she's a nice one. Oh, she's a nice one. I'm happy.
Yeah.
Wow. 4 musky day.
Or musky day. Crazy. check the picture first?
Oh no, I trust you. I'm sure it's good, man. She's gotta go anyways. There we go. See ya.
See ya.
Hey everybody.
This is 514 Fishing and Henry Vine Fishing.
And we just completed our fishing session, and we were looking for musky and smallmouth bass. The smallmouth bass did not show up, but the musky sure did.
Yeah, we got
so
it was a great day.
Yeah. So hope you guys enjoyed the video, and thank you very much for watching.
Make sure to like the video, subscribe to him. Man, he has some great content, man.
I'll be tagging 514 Fishing. Make sure to go check him out and subscribe to him too.
See you guys.
Tight lines.